Tapestri is a new app that pays consumers for the data they're already giving away. Our background specifically is in the mobility space. So we've been doing this for about a decade, specifically working with apps. We work with them to get anonymous data from those apps. Our job was to monetize that data and then pay them for it. But for doing this for close to a decade now, we clearly saw an opportunity where the consumer was really not considered in the value chain. They should have been at the very top, but they turned out to be at the very bottom. Most of this data was monetized without our knowledge, and that's where we saw the opportunity with Tapestri. Going to the average consumer and saying, it's your data, you should get paid for it. You have the Social Dilemma documentary, which you have not seen, you should see. It's on Netflix right now, which talks about if you're using a free product today, whether it be a search product or a social product, and it's not costing you anything, we are the product. We're getting ads showed to us that things we maybe want, things we can't afford or we don't need right now, just constantly following us until we ultimately buy it or just give up. Then you had politicians pushing big tech to pay some type of dividend like Alaska has, right? Alaska has a natural resource in the form of oil. Everyone benefits from it. California has a lot of tech companies. Why isn't California benefiting from that? Ultimately, the big search and social companies lobbied against it and nothing really happened there. And that's the opportunity for Tapestri. We're going to go to the average consumer with a solution. That solution says it's your data, you should get paid for it. You can download an app that works passively in the background that monetizes the data that you're already giving away. So we're not looking for more information than a weather app, for example. Our core business is background location data. Also, you can share this app inside the app as a user and get paid extra just for referring the app. So we're going to go into detail to show you how it works. The consumer will eventually go to the Google Play Store, download the app, we'll create an algorithmic earning score for that user, and that goal is set for them. So you'll have the goal here and the monthly earning balance. So it's 3/4 of the month. So let's say, for example, that consumers earn $8, their goal is to earn 12. Also, we're trying to be transparent with everyone using the app, how many events we've collected, how many points of interest this person has visited, and also their earnings. You can download the app for free, doesn't cost the user anything. But for those who are a bit entrepreneurial, like many of the affiliates who are on this call right now, they can earn more than just that dollar for referring the app. And I'll turn it over to Dani or Chuck to kind of talk about the affiliate program in detail and specifics.
This is Dani Walker with Tapestri, and as Walter shared with you, the app is very simple to use. You download it, install on your phone, set up your account, and start earning for the data that you're currently giving away to pretty much every app on your phone already. The cool part is for the first time, you'll be able to not only know what your data is worth, but be able to see what is collected and make it so that anybody else who shares the app can also create some passive residual income simply by telling their friends, referring their friends to also start earning on their data as well. So any personal referrals, whether it be 1 or 10 or 100 or 1,000 in the United States, every 30 days that the app is live on somebody's phone, if you were the one who invited them through your referral link, you will earn $1 commission every single month. So it's a recurring commission that is it's a free program, free app, free for you to participate and invite your friends. But for those of you who want to really increase your earnings and be able to earn on not only your personal referrals, but whoever they may turn around and tell about Tapestri once they've installed the app, you'll earn on 2 tiers when you're an active affiliate. And all active affiliates do pay a $9.95 admin fee every month. But what we've done is anybody who wants to participate as an active affiliate starting now before the app launches, we have waived 12 months of affiliate fees. So you simply just activate one time, $9.95, and then we waive the next 12 months fees. And that promotion will end the day the app goes live. So it's an excellent promotion to take advantage of. And as I said, what happens is you as a Tapestri affiliate, now not only do you earn on your data, you also earn on anybody you personally refer and anybody they tell about Tapestri as well. So 2 tiers. There are no limits on how many people you can share this app with and no limits on how many people they can share the app with. If you want to build a team, we also have the team builders bonus, which Once you personally help 10 people become active affiliates, you're a super affiliate. And in addition to getting paid for the data by installing the app and earning on tier 1 and 2, you also earn a 50% check match bonus on all of your tier 1 and tier 2 active affiliates. Every single one of them, what they earn in affiliate commissions that month, you will earn a 50% matching bonus in addition to your own affiliate commissions. Anybody who comes to Tapestri finds it in the app store and without a referral link will go into that pool, and all those super affiliates will be divvied out, those customers, Tapestri customers, every single month. We're not making any income claims. There's no gotchas in this affiliate program. You can participate as much or as little as you like. We just wanted to be able to allow you to not only tap into earning on your own data, but also to help reward you because you're the one sharing Tapestri with the world.